Say happy birthday to Madeline. Say it. Happy birthday. Yo, Sheldon, say it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. This is gonna be my failed attempt to wrap your gift, but you know, give it a shot. This, yo, watch. Close this or not, but it's gonna use some 3M tape to keep it shut. I think that's overkill, but it's all good. Okay, now would it really be traveling with Brad if it's not us being late again? So I get their high view. Oh my god, look at all this traffic. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. Don't worry, babe, I'll be there. I'll make it. Ah! Oh, my gas light just came on. Oh, it's gone again, but I need to fill up gas because that means I'm not going to be able to make it to Hamilton. Oh! Come on! So many things. Oh, come on! I'm going to be late! Gas, I need gas, come on, I need gas, oh my god, I need gas. Oh, come on, hurry up. Gas. Go, do something, please. Oh my god, I just spilled everything all over my gloves. Look at that. 335 looking nice. Wow. My bad. Okay, I gotta follow the leader. Let's go, Janice. Let's go, buddy. Okay, well, update. My convoy left because we're running a little bit behind on schedule, but it's okay because we'll make the time on the highway. All right. Traffic on the highway. Nice. Sick. This garbage truck smells like garbage. What's happening? Just watch the grand entrance. Yo, where are you? Huh? And then? Oh god, that does not look safe. Oh lord. Oh my god. Look at that. This feels very dangerous. Ah, the fucking balloons fell off! There was more balloons, but they flew off. Yeah. Cause you said what up, yo? Your birthday. I had 3 balloons, but they all flew. They're in the sky. Yeah.
I thought you were figuring the answer by phone. You said.
I'm busy. Okay. There. Which way do I go through? Well, that was a fail with my balloons. They all flew off in 2 seconds. Nice. Oh, you like them?
Yeah.